Audio Jungle.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back on my channel Crypto Victoria. First of all, I hope you are doing very well and amazing at this new year. So, happy new year to all community and may your wishes come true, all of my viewers, my audience. Once again, I am saying to you a happy new year and best wishes for you. So here is a project which I represent today on my channel that's about Fort Mother that's coming to think up in 2025. So guys, officially we have to launch on 4th January of 2025 at 7 a.m. UTC. So you have to just join this movement and this is all about Fort. So it's time to embrace the sweet smell that comes with Fort's mother. So guys, you have to must join this before starting the further exciting video. I would request if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing videos notification. As you know, Victoria always come with an awesome and new platform for my audience. So guys, welcome to Fort's Mother. Here I have placed all of their official links in my video description. You can join. And guys, here I will tell you about Fort Mother and how you can buy and how you can earn a lot of profits, how you can join this amazing platform. So you have to don't miss any part of the video and you have to stay tuned and connected with us at till end of this amazing video. So before starting their further review, I want to something say that I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research, guys. Before any investment, I'm not responsible for your any profit or loss. It's up to you. Have to search and then you have to join. So here is an amazing and very beautiful, cute profile of Fourth Mother. Here you can see on my screen that is coming in 2025. First of all, guys, I tell you what is about Fort Mother. This is basically a meme coin that's embracing fun, humor, and the stink of success in the crypto world. And as I tell you earlier, we have launched on 4th January 2025. What we have to do, why we become to a Fort Mother, why we launch this amazing platform to bring a laughter, community, and unique twist in the world of crypto in 2025 because every new year needs its things. So and then guys, I recommend you to you have to join our community. Here is our social media's links. First link is that our Twitter account where you have to join our Fart Mother meme club and let's have fun while making your bank. So this is our official Twitter account. You have to follow this simply like I am following. Here you can see you have to like, comment, and retweet our beautiful profile. So this is the mother of all fort coins, and here you can see our updations that what we have to do in upcoming after some days. So you have to join here for our further updations, guys. And guys, here you can see that you have to also stay tuned with us on our Telegram community because you have to follow us for further updates. So you see, you might get there, buzz. Our Telegram community where you have to join, guys. Simply here is the process where I tell you how you have to join, guys. So this is basically we have to launch on pump.fun. Here you can see that which we have created this on this amazing platform, and our total market cap is 5.3k USDT. And we have to bring a laughter for a community, unique twist in the world of crypto. And guys, now I tell you how you have to join. Firstly, you have to download your Phantom wallet, guys. Then you have to put some Solana and you can buy Fort Mother token here. Guys, you have to simply go to your Google Chrome and then you have to do your you have to download Phantom wallet. Here you can see that I have also downloaded my wallet, and here guys, here you have to just download your Phantom wallet. Then you have to connect this Fort Mother. Then you have to select here your currency. As I tell you, you have to select Solana. Here you can see that I have selected on Solana. So here you can buy easily. You have to put some Solana here, and then you can get your Fort Mother in your wallet, guys. So you have to must join this, and guys, you have to must join this, and you have to invite your family and friends. So at this awesome platform, guys. Join the stickiest crypto revolution of 2025. That's we have to fair launch, and you have to not miss this out. Embrace the fort fueled for fun. So you have to also become a fort mother dragon. Here is our total supply of the token 1 billion. There is 0% sale and tax, and our contract address is coming soon. So you have to mustly join this. As you can see, this is a happy new year for all of you. So this is the about good intentions to about fort mothers. So let's sing this out on this new year, and here you can ask all of your question what you want to say. So I hope you join this and you like my video. See you next video. Thanks for watching, guys.